Guys, so I'm back with another review, and this one is by LaFlare. And I think a couple weeks ago I reviewed a unit by LaFlare, and I was telling you guys that I haven't been reviewing much units from them at all. I think that was the first unit a couple of weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong, okay, but I haven't reviewed a lot of units from this company, so I'm really excited about this one. And she's called Opal. I have her in the color number 1. She's from their Laviero, I think that's how you pronounce it, Laviero pre-plucked with baby hairs wig. Okay, it's a whole lace wig, and I was really excited to try it on. When I saw whole lace wig, I was like, okay, let me see what this is about. It says here it's pre-plucked with baby hairs, 100% hand-tied whole lace wig, and this is what the stock card looks like right here. And you guys know short hair isn't really my thing, but even before I start going into the details about this unit, let me just say this is one of my favorite wigs of 2020. Let's just put it out there. This is one of my favorite wigs of 2020, and I'll let you guys know why. Okay, first of all, it's not just cute, it's not just short and natural looking, like everyday type of like your real hair, you know, just relaxed. That's what it looks like to me. But let me get into the specs of the unit. First of all, let's talk about the cap, and then you guys will be able to understand everything that's going on, because like I said, this is a whole lace wig. So you get a 13x4 frontal up front, where you can part wherever you want to, left, right, or center. It's pre-plucked. The baby hairs and everything is pre-plucked. You get 2 combs up front, you get 1 at the back together with the adjustable straps, and the rest of the cap is a stretchable mesh net material. But it's not just a stretchable mesh net material, it's lace. It's a stretchable lace, and the hair is hand tied onto that lace. Okay, so there's no tracks in this wig, no tracks whatsoever. You know, normally you would get a track and the wig and the hair is attached to the track. No, it's not like that. The hair is individually hand tied onto this lace. So I mean, you can't just part it wherever you want to, but at the same time, once your hair is flat, or for someone who probably is suffering with hair loss or something, or your hair is just bald, like you cut your hair really short, this would be such a comfortable wig to wear in a time like that, like if you have really short, you know, hair and stuff like that, because it's flat. Everything is just really flat, and like I said, there's no tracks, so it feels really good. And I think I reviewed a wig like this a couple years ago. I don't remember the name, I don't remember the company, but I remember it was a full lace wig, and the hair itself was individually hand tied onto the lace, which was really nice. You don't really get a lot of wigs like this, so I'm really excited about this. Plus, like I said, this is short, like it's a short everyday wear, and this is a human hair blend wig. Human hair blend, keep that in mind. So it's not 100% human hair, but it's a human hair blend wig. I mean, it's good enough. You know, the texture is really nice. Of course, it's heat safe, so you can add heat to it. And with the 13x4 frontal, you can part it wherever you want to, so there's a lot you can do with this. Now, the only thing I would have to say, like you guys would have to keep in mind, is that this is big head friendly. Okay, not just because of the stretchable cap, but the wig is just big head friendly. Okay, because I have it adjusted to the tightest, and I still have some space on the sides. That's why I was trying to like cover the sides. I wanted to like bring it back and show the hairline and stuff like that, but no, I can't do that with this one because of how big the cap is. Now, if I were to wear this out, I think I would take my time, glue this down, and I think once I glue it down, I'll be able to get, you know, the little hump or little spaces in between the lace up front right here to lay flat, and that way you'll be able to like push it back and do whatever you want to. But for the sake of the video, because I don't glue the wigs down, I'm kind of like trying to hide the sides, because like I said, it is lifting up a little bit like on the sides because of how big the cap is. It's not laying really flat. So what I would suggest, if you have a smaller head size and you want this unit, you might want to go in and add an elastic band at the back. I think that would help a lot with the lace, you know, pulling a little bit tighter and staying down. That's if you don't want to glue it down and stuff like that once you're going out. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Like I said, it has a natural baby hairs. You can use that if you want to. If you don't want to, you don't have to. But I just love how short the hair is, how flirty it is. It looks like a fresh relaxer, and you know, you get like a nice little layered trim from the hairdresser. That's what it looks like to me, and I'm loving it so much. Like I said, this is one of my favorite wigs of 2020. Let me know how you feel about this down below. Let me come closer and show you the hairline, show you the sides that I was trying to cover. So this is the sides that I was trying to cover, and you see here, you see how loose this is? It's really loose. So if I have to wear this out, I would go in and try to like pull on it like this, pull it down a little bit and glue that down, so that way everything would stay down, and you know, blend the hairline, lay the baby hairs and stuff like that. But for the sake of this video, I'm just trying to cover it. But nonetheless, like I said, I am here for this unit 110%. Let me know how you feel about this. If you would like to win yourself this unit, yes, because it's a giveaway. If you would like to win yourself this unit, keep in mind, first of all, you would have to do some work with it in terms of like making it look, you know, laying it down and stuff like that. You would have to do some work with it. But apart from that, it's a really cute hairstyle. So if you know how to put in the work and make this look really natural and, you know, cute and stuff like that, then participate in the giveaway. I will not be leaving the rules in the comment section down below. I'll be telling you guys right now, so listen up. The rules are, first of all, you have to be subscribed to this channel. Second of all, you have to like this video, and I do check to see if you're subscribed and if you like the video, so make sure to follow all the rules and not just one. And then I want you guys to comment down below and let me know if you've ever tried a full lace wig before. If you like this short style, just, you know, just comment down below, let me know. Okay, I don't think a lot of people have tried full lace wigs before, but let me know, have you ever wanted to try it? What do you think about this one? Are you into the short style? Like, when I say the short style, I mean like, are you into like the natural length, natural looking hairstyle? Let me know in the comment section down below. Like I said, that will be your giveaway rules, and the winner will be announced this upcoming Friday in the giveaway announcement video. That will be up at 6 p.m. so make sure to watch that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media accounts. Everything is at Wig Types, and I'll see you guys pretty soon. Bye.